the stair hit me and then it was gone. I didn't think a tornado was gonna hit, just I never do. One of my friends, she hates storms, so I wanted to make sure she was okay. And her husband, or fiance, said, I'm coming to get you. And that's when I knew it was probably bad. I grabbed my baby, wrapped her in a blanket, and we took off running and ended up at his house. He threw us in the basement, and me, my daughter, her uncle, my friend, and their son were all huddled up, covering each other. We were watching the radar news thing that my friend Bailey had, and I could see it coming, and then I felt the pressure change, and that's when I covered her son. And her fiance said, get down. So we all huddled together and we all covered the kids. One of their staircases fell on me, and I was covering so it didn't hit any of the kids or anyone. And I was more concerned about getting everyone out so we could get up to the hospital, because my daughter was bleeding a little bit and I was more concerned about that than anything.
But everybody escaped,
yeah,
basically
everyone's
without
fine.
a scratch.
Yeah.
It's everything I've ever had. Years. But at the end of the day, as long as they're okay, it's garbage. And it doesn't matter at the end of the day.
Oh my board, jeez. Look at those. Rolling the window down. Give it back to Matt. Matt. Yes, sir. Oh my God. It's gonna hit those wind farms. Parallel it. This road will have. Okay, it's going back right? Yeah.